Welcome to World Tech, where we bring the world's most powerful machines right to your screen. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of the forest to explore the incredible technology that's revolutionizing the logging industry. From precise sawmills to hybrid harvesters, these machines are the true titans of timber. We begin with the Logset B751, a sawmill that combines precision with power. As it effortlessly glides through massive logs, the B751 showcases its ability to turn raw timber into perfectly cut planks with surgical accuracy. It's not just a sawmill, it's an artist's tool, crafting masterpieces from nature's raw material. We conclude with the John Deere 1910G, a symbol of efficiency and reliability. In the dense forests, it works tirelessly, transporting logs with ease and precision. It's the backbone of any forestry operation, ensuring that the job gets done, and done right. Next up is the TigerCat 1185. This harvester isn't just built for the job, it's built for the toughest jobs. Navigating the most challenging terrains, the 1185's powerful engine and adaptive hydraulics work in harmony, making light work of the heaviest loads. It's the embodiment of strength, pushing the limits of what's possible in forestry. The Picoloto may be compact, but don't let its size fool you. This sliding saw brings unmatched precision to the table, making quick, clean cuts that minimize waste and maximize efficiency. It's the perfect blend of agility and power, designed for those who demand perfection in every cut. When it comes to sheer brute force, the Dewalt Z6000 is in a league of its own. This grinder turns even the toughest timber into manageable pieces, thanks to its powerful motor and advanced cutting technology. It's the backbone of any heavy-duty logging operation, proving that sometimes size does matter. Stripping away the rough exterior to reveal the valuable core, the Rake Ring debarker is all about efficiency. It's a machine that knows how to get to the heart of the matter, processing logs with a speed and precision that keeps operations running smoothly and profitably. Innovation meets sustainability with the Logset 12H GTE Hybrid. This hybrid harvester is as quiet as it is powerful, using cutting-edge technology to reduce emissions without compromising on performance. It's the future of forestry, proving that green can also mean powerful. When it comes to handling the heaviest of loads, the Svetruk TMF 2821 stands tall. This heavy-duty forklift is designed for maximum stability and strength, effortlessly lifting and transporting the largest logs with the finesse of a ballet dancer. It's the muscle on the ground, ensuring every log gets where it needs to go. The TigerCat 635H swing boom is all about flexibility and control. With its versatile swing boom, this machine can reach and manipulate logs with unmatched precision. It's the perfect balance of power and dexterity, making even the most complex tasks seem simple. From the forests to the recycling plant, The Logset AK530 shows its versatility. This machine is all about transformation, turning waste into valuable resources. It's more than just a shredder, it's a recycler, paving the way for a sustainable future. These machines are not just tools. They're the lifeblood of industries that shape our world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through innovation and power. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in technology. This is World Tech, where the future is built